But indeed, for this purpose I have raised you up, that I may show my power in you, and that my name may be declared in all the earth.